Would you believe me if I told you that you can earn money instantly in just one click? Sounds unbelievable, right? Then you should watch this video. We will turn one click of a button into $100, $200, $300, and more. This method that we are going to show you is 100% free, no need for investments or any payments. It is available worldwide. Even if you are from Europe, Asia, or America, you can use this method. And you do not even need any prior skills or experience. Even if you are a fresh graduate or still studying with no work experience, you can do this. This method is super simple and easy to do. Just watch this video till the end and learn the step-by-step process on how you can earn tons of money with just one click. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Today we will show you a website that can help you earn money in just a jiffy. We will also show you a computer software that will help you build up your passive income by automating money pages. Wow, 2 ways to make money in just one video. So watch the video till the end to know more about how to start earning money. The website that we will be showing you today is called Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a sales and marketing automation platform and a marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. This website helps business owners and online marketers grow their businesses by automating the marketing process of their products and using a tracking system that tracks the status and activities of sales and other business essentials. Warrior Plus offers tons of features such as sales automation. They provide all the tools necessary to quickly and easily sell and deliver products instantly to customers worldwide. Thousands of affiliates. Warrior Plus utilizes an army of marketing partners to generate sales to clients, digital products, and services without headaches. Top-notch products. They have thousands of educational and software products to help clients grow their own business or promote as an affiliate. Powerful tracking. They have one of the best tracking and reporting systems in the world. If you want to know and learn more about the features of Warrior Plus, you can just click Features, tap on the upper right section. What we are going to do on this website is become an affiliate. We will be the ones who will be helping business owners and online marketers grow their business by sharing it. But before we do that, we ask the question, why do we choose Warrior Plus? If we scroll to this section right here, we will know why Warrior Plus is a beneficial platform for both business owners and affiliates. It is the most stable and established digital business community since 2006. It has a powerful cutting-edge platform which saves you time while increasing revenue possibilities. Help and information is given when you need it. It is constantly evolving to cater to new businesses and affiliates. It has a great experience. And it has a supportive community which shares your drive for success. So you don't need to worry. You will earn money guaranteed with this website. The next thing that we will show you is the step-by-step process on how to become an affiliate and how to earn money as an affiliate. We have yet to show you the computer software that we will help you in building your passive income automatically. So stay tuned to learn more. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So to start earning, we first need to register as an affiliate. To do that, we scroll down the main page of the website and find the Become an Affiliate option. We click this and it will bring us to this page. On this page, we can learn more about how an affiliate of this website works. You can read all the information here before you sign up, so you can be aware of how affiliates earn money here. After you are done reading the information, you can click on Find Offers to promote here, and it will redirect you to the login page. Since we do not have an account yet, we click on Create an Account below. Then you just need to put your username, password, and email address. Just check this button to confirm that you are not a robot and click Create an Account. Now you have an account for Warrior Plus. Once you log into your account, you will see your dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see different features for selling products, vendors, and for affiliates. If you look at this upper section of the page, we can see 3 categories: Marketplace, Vendor, and Affiliate. Since we want to become an affiliate, we hover over the affiliate category, and there are options that you can choose. If we choose the dashboard option, it will let you see affiliate dashboard. Here you can see the money you earned today, yesterday, in the last 7 days, and in the last 30 days. So to the fun part, to earn money as an affiliate, we first look at the offers. To do that, just hover over the affiliate category and choose the offers option. Once you do that, you will be greeted by this page, which shows you all the offers that you can do. It shows you a bunch of information about the offer. You can see when it was posted, and this section right here shows you how much you can earn if a product is sold using your affiliate link. You can see that you can earn $13, $27, $40, and more. Just pick any offer that you want to do. For example, we choose this product. You can click on this product to learn more information. Once you click on it, you will get access to information about the product. If you click on the View Sales page, you can see what kind of product this business is offering so that you have enough information about the product before you share it. You can then click on Request Approval to request for your very own affiliate link from the business owner so that you can share it and make money. You can then share the affiliate link by posting it on Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, or any other forums. You do not need to create your own website or video. Then, once someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys the product, you can earn money based on how much the business owner offers you. If you look at the commissions range, this is how much you can earn when someone buys the product. Now that's a lot of money. And that is how you can earn by being an affiliate on Warrior Plus. Just request for your own affiliate link to the product that you want to promote, and when someone buys the product using your link, you will earn money. Very easy, right? You can do this in less than a minute, and you can earn as much as $350 per day. Now for the last part, we will now show you a life-changing computer software that can help you build up your passive income. This computer software is called It's Fresh. It's Fresh is a 3-in-1 software bundle that creates automated money pages and gets you free viral traffic. You basically do not have to do anything. It is a completely passive income system that creates automated money pages with just one click of a button, and it will increase your passive profits immensely. All you have to do is just hit refresh on your browser and you can earn money. To avail of this software, you originally need to pay $197 for it. But if you buy it today, you only have to pay $19 and the software is yours. All you have to do is go to this link and click on this red button right here. This is not free, but for the price of this software, you can earn twice as much as you paid in just a day. You basically didn't pay for anything. You can earn 3 to 4 figures paydays without a sweat. So what are you waiting for? Do it now! And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.